Hey Jeremy, so you put me in mind of Vietnam stuff, so you wanted to see this watch that I had, because you were looking for Mac VSOG. Now this is not Mac VSOG, but I don't know, I've had this watch for so long, I don't remember ever not seeing it in my project drawers. I've had it forever. I bought it from the original, I know it was the original owner, but was it the estate of the original owner? I don't know that he was still, no, I did. Bought it from the original owner. God, it was so long ago. He said he wore it for 1.5 tours. He bought it at the post exchange in Saigon, Cho something. I think it's the Cholon PX in Saigon. He said he wore it for 1.5 tours, and then something happened, and he didn't wear it anymore. But he said that he wore it in country. This model is non-loomed. This is the 8050. I have one that's very similar to it, but doesn't have any history at all. This is the 8060. Most of the differences are, sorry about that. Most of the differences, 8050, 8060, is down to the case. If you look, this one has this sort of chamfer, this bevel there, whereas this one doesn't. It's just a flat side. I think the actual profile of the watch is the same, so it's a very subtle difference. Anyway, as you can see, this one definitely got around. This is very similar, but it's original, completely original. Look at the case back on this one. I mean, this one was in some, it had some water inside. It tried to get in. This is another one with the stainless case. It's unrestored. I'm starting to think I might have some more documentation, something to do with this one. I remember somebody telling me that they stopped wearing this one when the crown got broken off. I just don't remember. I have to trust my memory and also my faded handwriting. Cholon PX, 1.5 tours. I just don't remember about this one. I simply don't. Huh, funny. Anyway, so here this is. There's this watch. I haven't looked inside for a very long time. I have no memory whatsoever of what is inside. This watch is complete, except for the missing date window, but come on. Hang on. Oh boy. This one does not want to open. Wow. Wow, that case back is on there. Hang on a second. Let me pop this. Okay. I got it to pop. It's running too. Look at that. This one has at least one servicing mark inside the case back. It's intact. God, that's the original seals and everything. Whew. Got a lot of haze in there, but it's a runner. These 6619s are great movements. So I guess when it got serviced is when the guy pulled out the date window. I wonder why he did that, but I can replace it. It's not a big deal. Yeah, these 6619s, they are surprisingly good movements. They're They're stable and they're slow, but they're accurate and they just chug along. I'm a big fan of them. Anyway, so I don't know if this is something like what you're interested in. I don't have the name of the person. I just, I'm not I wasn't a very organized person all the way back then. I have to go on memory, but I put that note on there for a reason, and that's the one, Cholon PX. But there's something about this one too, because I remember the person saying I wore it until the crown broke off, and then I stopped wearing it. I'm gonna have to search this one. This one might also be one of those. And I know I got this one after this one. Interestingly, they have slightly different dial numbers, but the dials themselves, as far as I can tell, are identical. Super weird. Anyway, you let me know.